Hello guys, this is Wednesday and we actually have a setup but there's no entry yet. So this is what I'm looking at. I have this structure here and this big displacement showing an impulsive move. Price trying to go higher, and we have a lot of accumulation at this level. So this could basically be liquidity, I don't know. So let's see what price does. I'm only going for 1 to 5. So let's just see how this trade goes. I didn't come to the chart yesterday because it was part of my plan not to come into the chart yesterday. So yeah, we are here today and we are here to be disciplined. So we have a setup and let's see how this setup goes. Hello, are you a disciplined trader? And the only thing holding you right now from achieving the dreams and the life you want is actually a good prop firm. Permit me to introduce Naira Trader Prop Firm, a Naira-based prop firm. They have accounts ranging from 500k to 20 million. It is really cheap, and you can get yours right now. What you also need to know about Naira Trader is that they have a 3-step challenge in all their accounts, and one of the most beautiful thing about them is that they have a huge range of 30% drawdown at the funded stage. And believe me when I tell you, they have almost zero to no payout denial. I think they are the most honest prop firm that actually wants traders to win. And if you really want a good prop firm, I suggest that you get a Naira Trader prop firm. Use the link in my bio right now and get one for yourself. Let's update Telegram. Now I don't always give early entries like this. I usually wait to have an entry first, but I'm actually doing this because I'm actually at a challenge of my life where I'm kind of like trying to be rather disciplined than outcome seeking. And this is why I actually give all these things for free at this moment, because this is actually a premium content. I upload early entries like this on my premium and not free. So enjoy it. Hey guys, we just took another setup, and that setup also hit our SL, and it was also instant. And following our rule, this is the end of today's trade because we are taking only one trade per day, and we are coming back to the chart tomorrow. Yeah, we are coming to the chart tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. I'm happy that I'm actually starting the losing streak when I actually decided to be disciplined, because that really shows that the market don't really care what you are going through, and you have to know this and kind of like keep a straight head and focus on what is important, which is your plan. And I'm just really excited because I'm able to see these things, and I'm able to understand that this is what is actually going on, you see. And this is actually something that I never thought I could do, but I'm really excited that finally I'm actually able to kind of like look at these things and just understand that there's something more important than the outcomes. When I had that loss, I felt that urge to kind of like take another trade, and I just realized something, that this is actually about discipline and not outcome. And I kind of like, if I make this mistake that I've been making all my life, I won't actually move forward. And I kind of like, let's just document our trade and just get over with it. The trade is actually a good trade on a normal day. I see no reason why I will not take this exact trade if I see it again. It was perfect, everything was okay, there was no mistake. Although during the time I was trying to enter, price already rejected the level. I made a mistake and I didn't enter where I didn't place my limit order at the actual price, but price rejected the main level. I was like, why is price rejecting this level? And I checked my annotations and I realized I made a mistake. So I kept the order, and this level that price is actually rejecting from is actually the right level, and I just kind of like took my order back to that level. And I wanted to enter late, but I
to kind of like, keep the discipline and the focus, and price actually came back and tapped the level, and I was kind of like excited that I didn't enter late, and still ended up in a loss. And probably if I entered late and had that first loss, I probably would have entered again thinking it is due to the fact that I entered early and other stuff. These just mental things that actually kept me stuck for many years. Update on the first setup. I still believe it's still gonna be. It might work out, it might not. But the fact that I had another setup at this level, which was, well, I already knew like it was dangerous at this level because I had a setup here. So price was actually accumulating at the range. Like I already kind of like knew that this might not work out. The reason why I don't really care about being so careful is that it's not all about the outcomes anymore for me. It's about discipline. It's about trying to do something that I was not able to do. This is Real Trading, and if you are enjoying the video, please subscribe, like the videos, and share to people you believe needs it. Because this is Real Trading, and this is transparency, and this is what you're gonna be getting. And don't forget to please subscribe to the channel, and let's grow together. See you all tomorrow.